Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reactivate your Binance account. Reactivating your Binance account typically requires contacting Binance support and meeting their verification requirement. Follow these steps to reactivate your account. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to Binance. If your account is temporarily disabled, you can see a message with the instruction. Common reasons for account deactivation include voluntary deactivation and suspicious activity. You or someone authorized deactivated the account, or Binance flagged your account for potential security issues. You can also get deactivation if your region might have new regulation and Binance locked the account for safety. Visit the Binance Support Center and submit a support ticket. You can also click on support in the bottom right corner of your screen and select the account issue as the category. Describe the reason for your account deactivation and request reactivation. Include all required information like email address or phone number linked to your account. The approximate date when the account was disabled. You may also need to include the approximate date when the account was disabled and any details about why it may have been deactivated. Binance support may ask for the identity verification and additional security question. You may need to do an email confirmation too. Binance support will review your request and respond via email. Reactivation can take anywhere from a few hours to few business days. Once your account is reactivated, enable two-factor authentication and update your password and avoid using old ones. Review your account activity and withdrawal settings for any unauthorized changes. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.